everybody wave goodbye to our happy deckhand up there. Well, good morning everyone and welcome aboard Captain Jake's Amity Boat Tours. We are the best, but that's because we're the only scenic cruise on the island. My name is Jennifer and I'll be your skipper today as I take you around to the actual spots where back in 1974, that big old shark jaws devoured those poor innocent islanders. But for our first item of interest, over here to the port side, we have the home of our very own Chief of Police, Martin Brody. Now, he really did blow up that shark. In fact, he became a legend in his own time, and Roy Schreider even played him in the film about a little shark episode. How many of you have seen the movie Jaws? All right, then you know what I'm talking about, but we actually had a little bit of...
Something's out there! I only want... Good! No! Help!
Amity 6 to base. Did you copy that last transmission? It sounded like Gordon on Amity 3. Over.
10-4, we copied. He can't be too far away. He was headed back in. We're picking up his distress signal now. Keep an eye out for him. I'll call Chief Brody. Space clear.
10-4. All right, guys, it sounds like one of our boats ran into a lot of trouble, but I don't think it's anything serious, so we're just going to continue on with our tour. Oh, no. I don't believe this. Amity 6 to base, Amity 3 is sinking out by the lighthouse. I don't see any survivors either. Oh, man, I don't know what's going to time this except,
Amity 6,
it's a shark! It's the biggest one I've ever seen out here, and he set it right for the boat base! Oh my gosh, it's going underneath! What should we do?
Big Mom, try the grenade launcher. Over.
What? This thing's actually loaded? Alright guys, hang on. Give it a try. Oh, we missed it. Let's try it again. Alright, we're getting out of here. This is Amity 6 to base. Tell Chief Brady we're going to wait for him at Quintal Boathouse. Alright guys, we're just going to find a place to tie up and see if somebody can help us out. Is anyone in here? We need some help. Wait a minute. Did you hear somebody back there? Sam! We gotta get out of here. No. Drop any gear. Come on, man. This isn't funny. Let's go. Come on, move! We're getting out of here. Oh, man. Six to base. Oh, Chief Brady, we need him out here now. Whoa.
Amity 6, this is Chief Brody. I'm on my way. I'll be there in 10 minutes.
10 minutes? Are you crazy? We're all gonna be shark bait in 10 minutes. Okay, I don't see him anywhere. This is really bad. All right, guys, we're gonna have to go for it. Hang on, here we go. Alright, so far so good. Man. There's that shark anywhere. I'll tell you what though, we're not going to take any chances. We're going to try to get off this boat up here in this old fishing dock. So we got to do this one row at a time, but whatever you do, you want to make sure you keep your arms inside the boat. It's because we have this high electric barge up here and it can be very dangerous when we don't watch what we're doing. Right now, we're just gonna pull up it. Oh, no. Look. All right, hang on. Whoa, look at Did we get him? I don't see him anywhere. Oh man, the thing's disgusting! Woo! The boy really roasted him.
What was that? Where the heck are you? This is Brody. Are you all right?
Hey, Chief! Call off the Marines, because we're coming home! We got it, guys! Alright! Ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you all for your incredible bravery out there today, but you know, probably don't need to tell anybody what went on out there. I mean, if we're this little fish episode ever leaked out, that would be it for Captain Jake and the rest of the businesses. So make sure you keep it to yourselves, okay? I mean, after all, we didn't get